LBW.
Yes, he's got him with a jaffer. It mightn't be the ball of the century, but it'll do for England right now.
Got him, dragged it on. Another inside edge helps England, and Anderson has 2 wickets.
If you remember in the first innings, Anderson got him, knocked his off stump out the ground when Callis decided to leave the ball.
Oh, has he caught it? He has. Marcus Trescothick at first slip has taken a perler. Huge wicket. Lara is heading back.
That's it. I think he's got him. Fantastic. James Anderson has done it. He's bowled so consistently well outside off stump, and it just proves if you bowl a really good ball, you can get a really good player out.
Oh, well, did he hit that? They think so, England. Bat and pad, or pad and bat, it really is. What a brilliant bit of fielding by Jimmy Anderson. What a fantastic athlete. Oh, a ball swung. Oh, he's given him. First impression was it going down, but he's given him. That's what they want, England. A lead of 122. South Africa, 1 wicket down, and what a big fish it is. What a good ball, Jimmy Anderson.
Great bowling from Anderson, great bowling. Out, Ponting goes.
What a delivery. Just when you think Mohammed Yusuf is going to be there at the end, and Jimmy Anderson has done the unthinkable. He's yorked him with a beauty.
Oh, what's LBW? Sachin leaves a straight ball. A misjudgment from a master. Yes, he's got him with a jaffer. It mightn't be the ball of the century, but it'll do for England right now. Oh, just the seam movement just clips that top stump. Look at the celebration. That's what it means to Jimmy Anderson.
Out, is it? Yes. Pryor's held on to it, thank goodness for England, and a fine delivery, that one from James Anderson.
And again, got him! Williamson goes for North. Got him! It's a beauty! The reverse swing works for Jimmy Anderson.
Excellent bowling from James Anderson. Set up the batsman beautifully with those in-swingers, and this time around